Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Rovlet's sweater dress. So it comes in two pieces, the sweater itself and then the tie. In the front, it's a deep V, and then in the back, there's this little strap to keep it from falling off your shoulders. It's super duper stretchy. I like that it's a little bit longer, so it gives that really nice full feel. Let me go ahead and try it on. Ooh, I love how it's quite snug on the top. There is a lot of room for it to kind of move around. Down here, the little tie is really just an accessory. You don't really need it, but it does make it look a little bit more polished, a little cleaner. The back looks like this. You can choose to have it a little bit more off the shoulder, but it's tight enough to be able to do whatever it is that you want with it. If you would like to see more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you think about this dress below. Thank you.